Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm not in a very good mood, but 2 weeks ago I made a video. I was talking about a reason why Binance P2P traders and customers needed to find an alternative. And I suggested an alternative in that video, and I'm going to suggest that alternative again in this video. It was as if I saw it coming. Now, a couple of days after I made that video, a Nigerian politician was on a popular TV show talking about the current state of the economy in Nigeria and the continual devaluation of the naira against the dollar, and some of the factors that this politician mentioned was Binance, because he said Binance just pegs the USDT at a very ridiculously high rate against the naira, that Binance was the problem.
Sell with over 100 naira arbitrage on top of it. So what we have been having has been around tripping. That is for the bank's executive. For the Binance people, those ones just sit somewhere and they have been busy fluctuating the price. And the challenge with this is that you can't even say who is this and who is that. Because one, any criminal activity can go through that channel. They don't pay taxes. You can use it to collect ransom. They can use it to launder money. So the CBN have to go after those ones.
And that was when I knew something was about to give. And he was boldly calling on the telecommunications companies to block Nigerians' access to Binance. Now, in that video I made 2 weeks ago, I said it and I'm going to reiterate it. Whatever you do, in whatever field you are, try not to be the flagship. Try not to be like the signpost. Try not to be like the referral point, the reference point. Because when it comes to sanctions and litigations, you would also be the first point of call. And that was the reason why I called on P2P traders to go to the platform in the description of this video to go and be doing their business there. Because I knew that when sanctions would start, Binance would be the starting point. And I also told them that, you know, when it comes to competition, when it comes to demand is higher on this new platform and competition is lower because a lot of P2P traders are not there yet. All right. So look in the description of this video if you're a P2P trader and go there and do your P2P business. Now let's go to the platform and let me show you the P2P feature so that you can start to cash out if you're a customer and start to sell if you are a seller. Now, does anybody notice why and how I am deliberately not mentioning the name of this platform? I'm not mentioning it, but this is the homepage where you go to the description of this video and you sign up. You get to earn an extra bonus on your first deposit if you sign up with the link in the description of this video. All right. When you now sign up, you download the app and you log in, or you log in via the browser. You want to interact with Buy Crypto. All right, you will see the Buy Crypto feature here. Now, when you interact with it real quick, what opens up to you is you will find P2P trading. Now, this is available for everybody globally, okay? But especially it is available for our brothers and sisters in Nigeria who just got shut out by Binance from P2P. So if you have cryptos for sale, sign up with the link in the description of this video. Come here, click on the sell section and sell. Transactions are safe. Transactions are super fast. And you get your money in your bank account very fast. Go to the description of this video, sign up. Now, this is a platform that is just growing. Before they become globally recognized and the authorities start frowning at their activities, it will take years, okay? So this is the best time to get on board. And bad news to P2P traders in Nigeria on Binance. That P2P business on Binance was a source of livelihood for a lot of people. But what is the lessons learned? The lessons learned there is, number one, first of all, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You're doing P2P business on Binance. I have always asked people to look for an alternative that offers something similar. All right. And number two is, you know, nothing lasts forever. And when something is going viral and is making the loudest noise, it's about to bust. Okay. So start your new journey of P2P business sign up with the link in the description of this video. I made a dedicated video for the P2P feature on this platform in the earlier video I referenced. Okay, I'll put it in the description of this video as well, a link to that video, so that you know your way around the requirements for you to be a P2P trader. But there are no requirements for you to sell via P2P. Just do your KYC and you're ready to cash out your crypto into fiat into your bank account. Now, like I said, it's available for everybody in all parts of the world. The filter right here is showing Naira, and all the currencies in the world are featured here. So whether it's USD, AED, AMD, just name it, everybody is welcome. Thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to give you guys an alternative to Binance P2P. I'll see you in the next one. I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.